Righto, I just had to bring the zoom back a bit. I keep turning this bloody video off. Give us a look at it. I've got the zoom going backwards and forwards. Hang on, can I get that in focus?
You'll have to press macro. Look at that.
It's a bloody record. Congratulations.
Thanks, John.
Yeah, you take a photo of it with macro.
Yeah, okay.
It's a bloody record.
Oh, it's still going too. You beauty. Oh, pull it across. Oh, shit. Close up. God,
that's close.
I'm shaking so much I can hardly hold it.
There's half a day's wages in that.
How much does it weigh?
Oh,
Give me a guess.
I don't know, it's 3 or 4 inches.
Oh, very good. Where is it? I'll zoom in on it.
Here it is.
Oh yeah. Can't get it all in, it's so blasted wide. See how close.
Not a bad little camera, that one. Bird's big.
Oh, that's beautiful. All right. Well done, John.
Thanks, James.